Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to use the grep command in Kali Linux to search files for text and patterns. Alright, let's get to it. Thank you. Okay guys, the grep command consists of three parts in its most basic form. The first part is the grep part, then the message string that you're searching for, and then the name of the file. As you can see, it clearly found two lines with the matching string. Now, if you want to exactly match that word, you will use the dash W. This confirms that the exact match must be met before its output. As you can see, again, two are matched to that line. But if we had put something else, then it wouldn't have matched to Clark Kent. It wouldn't have shown, or Clark Kent's, it wouldn't have matched at all. Now, if you want to ignore case, what you would do is put the I flag. And this will search for both uppercase and lowercase matches of the string within the file. As you can see, Clark Kent has three matches, two with lowercase and one with uppercase. Now, if you want to say you want to search for two files for this specific string, well, you would do the same command with the specific flags that you require, and you just add the name of the secondary file or the tertiary, whichever you want, or as many files you want to add to the search. And you would just click enter. And as you can see, the three matches from the personal file were shown and one for the list file. Now, let's say in this specific format, you want to find all names that do not match the specific string. For this, you will use the dash V to find the inverse match for Clark Kent and the personnel file. As you can see, well, let's do ignore case because there is an upper letter Clark Kent that we don't want to be shown in your search. And as you can see now, the uppercase letter Clark Kent is removed and only the names of the people that you want that don't include Clark Kent are shown in your search. Now, if you want to do the number of counts that match the pattern, you would do the dash as. For right now, let's just do that. As you can see, for Clark Kent, there's 3. And if you want to do the count to see how many there are, you would just do the dash C, and it tells you clearly that there are 3 matching patterns for that string, specific string. Now, you could also do dash W, and we're gonna do the dash A, which tells me to find the 2 strings above the matching pattern. So we're gonna do 2 strings, or you could do 4 strings or 5 strings above the matching pattern. So I'm sorry, below the matching pattern. So from Clark Kent, the 2 lines that follow Clark Kent are Bob Syntax and Jimmy Sanchez. And for the secondary match, it seems that there's nothing that follows it. Now, if you do the dash B for before the matching, it will be the 2 before the matching string. And as you can see, the 2 above the matching string are the 2 Dwayne Johnsons, and then the Jimmy Sanchez at the Bob Sigel. And if you want to find both above and below the matching pattern, find those strings above and below, you would do the -C flag, and this will show you both above and below. Now we're gonna find, let's say we want to find all the files that contain this matching string within this directory and its subdirectories. You would do that by doing the -I and then the flag R for reverse search the matching string, and then you could either use for the whole, all the directories, or within the current directories and its subdirectories, you will use the star to represent that. And you run it, and as you could see, you have the list.txt has one match, personnel.txt has 3 match within the current directory, and within the subdirectories in test, there are 2 matches for that Clark Kent string, right? If we want to find all the list of all the files, you would do just the flag L, and it'll show you the list of all the files that contain a matching string and also the subdirectories that contain that. And if you want to get the count of all these files, you would do the -C. And as you can see, within each file, it shows you how many times that string match appears. For list.txt is 1, personal.txt is 3, and text.txt for personal.txt is 2. The final command that I'm going to share with you is going to be the number of showing the output of number of lines that you desire. So if let's say for this command there are like 5-6 outputs. Let's say we just want 2 of these. We would just do the flag -M, and let's say 2 or 3 or 4 depending on what you want. And I'm sorry. And here is gonna, if like initially for this command, sorry, it doesn't work with the recursive. Initially for this search, it was 3, and if you include the -M and the 2, it would search for only the first 2 outputs, or if you want to search for only the first output, this will be the way. I hope you guys had fun in this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Place in the comments. I would like to ask you, if you like the video, to please subscribe and share. I hope you have a great evening, day, and have a good night. Thank you. Bye.